Hello everyone, good morning, or good evening, wherever you're watching this from.
Today, let's discuss what exactly is artificial intelligence. The term artificial intelligence is understood differently by everyone, but at its core, AI is simply a transformation, a change in how we do things. To understand this better, let's take a simple example, the evolution of an employee attendance system. In the early days, attendance was recorded manually in registers. Employees wrote their names, in time and out time every day. Then came biometric systems, fingerprint scanners that marked your in time and out time automatically. Today, with artificial intelligence, facial recognition systems identify employees through video or images and log attendance seamlessly. So from registers to fingerprints to face recognition, that's the transformation AI has brought. Technically, artificial intelligence means creating intelligence artificially. Artificial means man-made. Intelligence is the ability to learn and apply knowledge. Humans become intelligent through learning, whether it's formal training, like learning from a teacher or parent, or informal ways, like watching YouTube tutorials. Machines learn in the same way, through examples and experience. We provide them with data, and they learn to perform tasks like prediction, classification, or even content generation. So, artificial intelligence is not magic. It's transformation through technology and learning. It's how we make machines think, adapt, and perform intelligently.